All right, this is the Carrington Farms Organic Chia Seeds, gluten-free, USDA organic, 14-ounce bag. I like to put it in a Tupperware container. That's just me. It's easier to spoon out for later. The bag itself would fit inside of an 8x11 piece of paper, just so you know the size of it. It is a resealable bag. You know, in case you want to use it straight out of the bag, you're more than welcome to do that. You can seal the bag up and keep it the way it is. A lot of people like to use this on, you know, yogurt and all kinds of stuff, baking, cooking. But I like to use it in protein shakes, and I put it in my bone broth along with some flax seeds. And I feel like I'm getting more of the essentials that I need on a daily basis. So I will use this a teaspoon at a time. 1 teaspoon of this is going to be 20 calories. That's 1.2 grams of fat. We're looking at 1.3 grams of carbs and 1.3 grams of fiber. Cancels itself out. I like that. And we have 0.7 grams of protein in 1 teaspoon of this. Perfect to add to my protein shakes. Perfect to add to my bone broth. I haven't soaked these for too long to see how much they expand, but I usually eat them within a few minutes of after adding water or liquid to it. So I knew they do puff up a little bit, but I don't know how much they puff up. But they taste great. So there it is, Carrington Farms Organic Chia Seeds. I love them.